Are you paying attention? This video might save your life.
Let's be real. Fire safety probably isn't your first priority at university.
That said, it is pretty important. So stay with us for the next few minutes and we'll show you how to keep your accommodation safe and what to do in the event of a fire.
Trust us, you don't want to be dealing with something like this.
Once you've started cooking, don't get distracted, especially if you're grilling or frying something. Stay with your cooking to make sure everything stays under control. And while we're in the kitchen,
try to keep your grill trays clean, as grease and fat is highly flammable. Just give them a quick wipe down after you're done cooking and you're good to go.
remember to turn off and unplug any appliances that could get hot after using them. And also make sure to use the right charger for your device, if possible the one that came with it. And if you're an international student, please check that your chargers work with the power supply here in the UK. Using the wrong charger can overload the supply and cause it to overheat.
Also, avoid overloading plug sockets and extension leads. This could create a power surge and start a fire. Only plug in the number of plugs it was designed for.
Fairy lights are a great way to decorate your room, but make sure they're LED and battery operated. Unlike mains powered ones, these don't heat up, no matter how long they're on for.
Smoking indoors is banned, and yes, that includes vapes too. Even vapor can set off the fire alarm, and no one wants a 3 AM wake-up call. Head outside to the designated smoking area if your campus has one. If not, head off campus.
This bit's crucial. Fire doors, sometimes marked with this symbol, are your best defense against fire spreading, but they're useless if left open, so please keep them closed.
Once you move in, learn your fire escape route and make sure you keep this clear from any obstructions like shoes or bikes. You don't want these things slowing down your escape if there's a fire.
Don't mess with the smoke detectors, fire alarms, and firefighting equipment. Keeping these things in good condition could save your life.
If you hear this sound, you need to leave the building immediately. Don't wait to find out if it's real or assume it's just a test.
Walk, don't run, and head to
your fire assembly point.
Check with your accommodation so you know where to go.
3 steps to report a fire. If you see a fire, leave the accommodation immediately, closing doors behind you, and go to the assembly point outside. If the alarm is not sounding, push the emergency call point to activate as you leave. Only tackle the fire if you think that it is safe to do so. Banned items in your accommodation: candles or incense burners, portable heaters, e-bikes and e-scooters, barbecues, cigarettes or e-cigarettes, deep fat fryers, fireworks, electric blankets, non-CE adapters, socket cube adapters. You need to make accommodation staff aware if you need help to evacuate the building and need a PEEP creating, personal emergency evacuation plan. For emergency contacts, please call the hall's duty mobile number.
We know this might not be the most exciting topic, but it is important. Fires can start and spread fast. A little effort can save you and everyone else a lot of trouble.
Stick to the advice we've shared here, and you can keep uni life safe and stress-free.